hail Biafra, all hail Biafra, all hail Biafra. IPOB, one family, IPOB. I thank you, Kabiama, God, our corrector. Big guns salute to my able leader, Nnamdi Kanu, the great prophet of my time. Mazu Jemefo, our able deputy leader. Our formidable IPOB families, Biafrans, and wonderful lovers of freedom all over the world, I greet you all. I welcome you all on today's video titled Before Amotekun in the West, BSS was in the East, all thanks to IPOB and Nnamdi Kanu, Nnamdi Kanu of Biafra land. All indigenous people must defend themselves. That is the gospel truth. The right to self-defense and preservation is a natural law anywhere civilized in the world. The Northerners/federal government of Nigeria have in the recent weeks fought against Amotekun of the West more than what they have done against their own misguided brothers over some decades now. Mind you, the same North used our so-called good-for-nothing Igbo politicians to fight against our own BSS in the East. Now, it is so clear to everybody that what the Fulani agenda is in Nigeria is beyond everybody's comprehension. They just want to enslave everybody. And some people in Nigeria are saying, let's leave it to God. Every day, let's leave it to God. Let's go and pray, let's leave it to God. And people are dying. They are sacking villages, killing people, burning down buildings, houses. People's livelihood are being wasted every day by these same people. And yet they are still preaching for us one Nigeria. Now the agenda has been fast-tracked. Every recruitment into the Nigerian military or police force in the north is another way of spreading terror down south. You do not need to still go and hide under your bed and be tweeting or be saying God will take care of it, God will take care of it. You can do something. Don't say you don't know what to do, you cannot do anything. You can do something. You have your phones on your hands there. You have WhatsApp inside the phone. You have Twitter inside your phone. You have what is it called? You have Facebook. You have Instagram. You can do something. You can make posts. You can get, where some of these things are taking places. You can record them and publish them to the world for what to see what we are passing through in Nigeria. Not for this hide and seek thing. You will hide under your bed. They will still come inside your house and kill you, and nothing will happen. Last, you will say, let's leave it to God. Let's leave it to God. People are dying every day by day. This same thing, mind you, this same thing, that's the same way it started in the 1960s. They started killing people, burning houses in the north, doing things to the point that the People's General Dim Chukwemeko Ojukwu then was left with no choice other than to declare the Republic of Biafra in 1967. And the same thing is taking place again. Nnamdi Kanu is all over the place, warning people, telling people, these people are coming, these people don't mean good for you, these people don't have your good at heart, these people are evil, and yet you will still see our people, they will say, let's leave it to God. It's now a code that everybody relies on. And by the time you wake up the next morning, your neighbor's house has been burnt to the ground and they will kill them and nothing will happen. Which police station do you want to go and report? The one they are presiding over? It's high time everybody wake up and stop deceiving ourselves. That is the honorable truth. Don't say you don't know what to do to support Biafra restoration. You can do something. That is the gospel truth. Now, the Yorubas have realized in Nigeria that there is no way. One Nigeria is just like they go to Abuja, they are one Nigeria. When they go back to their places, everybody, you are your own, and that is the truth. And thankfully, the Yorubas have realized that. The outfit they created, the security outfit they called Amotekun, has really shaken the foundations of the caliphate. The Fulanis have realized that they cannot cow everybody. And that is why the Yoruba, they have come together, their governors, the states, their governors have come to form the group, the security outfit, Amotekun. Whereas our own governors in the east, they are there dining and whining with the caliphate. They even invited them to come and assassinate the only man that stood and said, no, our people will not be raised from the surface of earth. They came to his house, they did all sorts of things, they killed almost more than 50 to 70 something people in that house, many injured. See today. Now today, part of their actions in that compound has left our leaders' parents dead, which they will be from now, I think by 14th of February, they will be laying them to rest. Is also part of one Nigeria, one Nigeria. We are tired of all this mess. And if you don't know what to do, get your phone, look for IPOB groups on your Facebook, on your Twitter, on your Instagram, on all these social medias. Look for them. Look for Nnamdi Kanu's page. Look for all these pages. Join them to know what is going on so that you will know what to contribute and how you start contributing. Don't say you don't know what to do. You are a graduate, you don't have job. 5 years you're outside school, a graduate, no job, no nothing. You are in the house. Your father paid your school fees from nursery school, secondary school, university. You are out. You say no, when you have masters, you get the best job. Now they have also trained you. You have also paid for your master degrees. You have gone there, and at the end of the whole thing, you are still back home eating from the same your papa purse and your mama purse. And you are not ashamed of yourself. When they talk about Biafra, they say, don't mind those miscreants. Leave them. It doesn't concern you. It concerns you because the country is not good for anybody. It's not good at all for anybody. It's time you, I'm talking to you. You wake up. You wake up. You do something about your situation. Don't say, let's leave it to God. God will not come down from heaven. You have to do something for yourself for God to help you. Don't say, let's leave it to God anymore. Every day, our leader is on Radio Biafra shouting, do this, do that, do that, do that. The ones they will do, that will hear and do, they will do. And some of these gullible ones, they will still hear it and say, leave that idiot and leave that good-for-nothing leader. Yes, to you, he's good-for-nothing leader, but I will tell you the truth that guy has waking a lot of people up. If not for the coming of Nnamdi Kanu, Yoruba people will not be thinking about Amotekun today. That is the gospel truth. That is the honorable truth. They will not be thinking about a Amotekun outfit. And today they have regained their outfit to the point that even some of their governors are saying that if the coming of the Amotekun will cause them their second term ambition, that they do not mind, they are not bothered. And I think that is coming from the governor of Ondo State. So you are telling me that man too is a miscreant. For him to also put his own office on the line and say, if this thing will cost me my own second term ambition, I do not care. Let it cost me. And you have no office. You are in your parents' house eating morning, afternoon, night. You don't even have that on your phone. You don't even have up to 5,000 in your bank account. You are not even bothered. You just wake up and you sleep, you wake, you sleep, you wake. You say, let's leave it to God. Yes, you leave it to God. Every Sunday you go to church, you come back in the same situation, in the same mess you find yourself into. You keep letting criminals in the office. You are not bothered. They go there, they will steal you dry. They will even invite people that will come and kill you in your own father's house. You say, let's leave it to God. And you are leaving it to God and you are dying. It's better for you to do something. Even when you die, you have already left memory behind for the unborn generation and the ones that is living. For them to know that your voice was heard. Now, Nigeria is no longer a story. The mess Nigeria have created and put them inside, they cannot even come out of it again. Thankfully, Nnamdi Kanu has dealt with them. In EU, he defeated them. In the UN, he defeated them. Now, America is aware of what is going on in Nigeria, and Trump is also aware of what is going on in Nigeria. And mind you, Nigeria has also been listed as one of the countries that they will ban from coming to their place. And you are telling me it does not concern you. It concerns you. It concerns you. It concerns you. Every day, people are dying in Nigeria. That is constant. People are dying in Nigeria every day. Nobody is doing anything about it. And you are there telling us, let's leave it to God. Let's leave it to God. Yes, you leave it to God eventually, but they will still come and kill you as usual, and nothing will happen. Are you not seeing how they are slaughtering even our so-called pastors? Telling you if you don't convert to their faith, they will kill you, and they will behead you and post it to your family and tell you, yes, as a confirmation, they have done the job. And some people will still tell you, let's leave it to God. We have to rise up on our feet and defend ourselves. That is the truth. How do you defend yourself? You cannot come and you... okay, let me just cut this whole story short. I've lost a whole lot of friends because, do you know what? They keep telling me, you talk about Biafra too much, you relate about Biafra, this Nnamdi Kanu thing is taking over you. Are you sure you are okay? Are you sure that this guy has not hypnotized you? Are you this? Are you that? Are you that? Yes, Nnamdi Kanu has hypnotized me. I'm a proud miscreant. At least he has let me know that, yes, this is my right. That guy has positioned me. As a matter of fact, he has changed my life for good. That is the honorable truth. He has. He has. I do not mind losing friends to save my own life and my born and unborn children. That is the honorable truth. You may not like it, but that is the truth. They will beat you in the polling vote. You will say, let's go and vote. Now, they will put you in the polling vote. In my state now, they will allow you to rule for 6 or 7 months. They will come and take somebody that is in 4th position during the election and make him your present governor. And you will say, you say, let's go and protest. After protesting, you say, let's leave it to God. And that is just it. And everybody goes home. That is not the way it is. You have to stand on your feet and tell yourself, yourself, what you want, not me. Tell yourself, this thing, is it benefiting me in any way or in any manner? You tell, not me, don't tell me. When you go inside at your house, tell yourself, this thing I'm doing, is it benefiting me anything? And from there, you will know what we are doing. You don't hide under your bed, you tweet to your boyfriends and girlfriends and relations and loved ones, and you come out, you charge your phone, you will probably, when there's no light, the phone will die, you wait, when there's light, you charge the phone, when you charge it, or if there's no light, you contribute money and go and buy fuel. After charging your phone, you come back and tweet to your friends around you, and check on them, as you always say, I'm just checking on you. At the end of the day, the problem still persists. Now, the truth is, do you want to help Biafra restoration? If you want to help Biafra restoration, fine. Look for IPOB family around you. I encourage you to join. We are everywhere. That is the only way we can together restore Biafra. No other way. Nnamdi Kanu has liberated us from the hands of these slave masters. Now it is in your hands. People are out there waiting to hear from you. What they are hearing about you, they want you to confirm it from your mouth. They cannot come here and do it for you. You have to say it from your mouth. How do you do it? You have Twitter on your phone. Tweet the situation of this country. Tweet it on your mobile phones. You have your phone. You have data on your phone. Enough of watching Bet Niger, BB Niger, and all those things. These people, after watching them 39 days, they will give them millions to go home. You will come back to square one and start waiting for another BB Niger. It's high time you wake up. It's high time you wake up. I'm talking to you. It's high time you wake up. Biafra restoration is at hand. And soon Biafra will come. But what will be your own contribution to the struggle? That is the question you have to answer yourself. That is the question you have to answer to your unborn children. When they will ask you, hey, mommy, daddy, what was your contribution to the struggle then? Then you will not tell them you were hiding under your bed and you were making some tweets to your friends, asking them if BB Niger will start next year or not. you better respect yourself and safeguard your life. Tweet the situation of this country on your mobile phone. Publish it on your Facebook. You have your WhatsApp on your phone. You have your Instagram. You have to make something. You have to tell the world how you are feeling. Stop suffering and smiling. That is when Fela was alive. Fela Nicola Bokuti, he would always say, my people are suffering, smiling. That is then people are not even suffering, smiling. Now is the moment time everybody now is suffering and smiling. I encourage you. Look for IPOB family around you. Join. Contribute your quota. Everybody have something to bring to table. Don't say you don't have anything to bring to table. Time has gone when everybody will sit down and fold their hands and say, it is well. Let's leave it to God. God will not come down from heaven. These people have dealt with us. They killed us in 1966. They killed us in 1967. They killed us in 1968. They killed us in 1969. They killed us in 1970. And they are still killing us up to this moment. And you are telling yourself, it does not concern you. After all, I'm from Ijo, or I'm from Delta State. I'm from Port Harcourt. I'm from Rivers. It doesn't concern me. This one will tell you I'm from Imo State. After all, Nnamdi Kanu is from Abia State. We are not from the same state. You are deceiving yourself. You are deceiving yourself. It's a high time you wake up. I'm talking to you. It's a high time you wake up from your slumber. If you like, talk to the world about your situation. If you like, don't talk to the world about your situation. One thing I am here to tell you is that they have closed our border. We cannot go out. But they have opened it up wide open for their own people to come in and massacre you, as in kill you without any police holding them accountable for it. They are now recruiting the same Boko Haram they arrested. They have gone to feed them fat in the prison, and now they have bring them out and come to media to tell us that they are repented Boko Haram, and they are putting them back to the Nigerian army and police, telling you that they are now repented. And they are well armed and equipped to kill you, as in kill you without anything holding them to account. My dear brother, my dear sister, I will stop here for today, and I encourage you to do something about your own situation. Me, I will do my own, and I'm doing my own. As you are watching me, it's my own that you are watching. I'm doing it, and I'll continue to do it. That is the honorable truth. And mind you, if you have not subscribed to the post, to the Biafran post, I encourage you to subscribe. Also hit that bell notification icon so that you will not be missed out on any of these videos that's coming up. I encourage you to also watch this video here also to see your newly recruited, repented terrorists, Boko Haram, in action. They have equipped them. They give them cars for patrol, give them Okada, arm them, feed them. All the borders are open for them. So every place is for them. Say it does not concern you. If you like, still be drawing map from Delta and from North and from South. They will visit you when the time comes. That is the truth. Watch this video here. You see what I'm talking about. Thank you.
Onjoy, Amar, onjoy. كونيا يلا الله أكبر دانا تلفون جوكي نيلو دلو الماء يا هذا دانا في مالي في أرض المالي
إن شاء الله بإذن الله عز وجل.
سنتمدد حتى مات إن شاء الله.
هذا جنود من جنود الله الذي اعتصم بحبل الله جميعا ولا تفرقوا.
الله أكبر.
على كتاب الله وسنة رسول الله إن شاء الله ناصرهم والله حافظهم.
الله أكبر. والعزة لله.
Ayo,